Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Tech Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if you have Google SafeSearch locked on your iPhone. So there could be a setting preventing this. So let's just go to settings right here. And I'm going to back out to the main settings menu. Now under the main settings menu, let's scroll on down until we get to where it says screen time. So here's screen time right here. And we can go on down in here. And there's one option called content and privacy restrictions. Just turn this off. And this could be preventing you from turning off SafeSearch for whatever reason, because it locks specific apps. So you have content and privacy restrictions right there. And then we can back out to the main menu and go to privacy and security. And there's one option under here that might get annoying if you are using SafeSearch off. And it is this option right here, sensitive warning right here. So just come to here and it detects photos and videos before they are viewed, and it'll basically annoy you with that message. So just turn that off as well so you don't get a pop-up when you're viewing stuff. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.